How to play Fivem with GT5 Enhance. Now in this video, this is going to be quick. I'm going to teach you how you can play Fivem on GT5 Enhance. Now once you already have Grand Theft Auto 5 installed on your PC, all you just have to do is to locate the main file folder by going into your file manager. Now in here, just head straight into this PC under local disk C and then program files. Now locate the main folder of your GTA 5. Now you're gonna have a lot of files that will be indicated or will be visible inside this folder. But the main file that you wanna have to rename is the GTA 5 underscore enhance.exe file. Now it gonna comes with a different logo, but all you just have to do is to right click on the X file of GTA 5 enhance, rename it, and then what you want to do next is just to delete or remove the enhance and then the underscore text. Simply hit on enter and you will receive a prompt on your end. Just simply allow all protection necessary and then just simply run this X file on your end. It should be working by then. And that is how you play Fivem with GT5 Enhance.